Don't delete. Now, good evening, all my brothers and my sisters. And good evening, everybody. Everybody, when they look me for there, I greet all of you now. And good evening. Yeah, I'm me. Don't come again, my sister. My name is Real Favor Channel. My YouTube name is Real Favor Channel. So, the matter when I break on, na message na they send. This one a message I want send. So I beg this person when I want send this message to, I beg wanna follow me share and make this message make it reach her hand. Make it reach her. If I not share the message, no will reach where she did. You understand? So I beg wanna follow me share her. As I first talk just now my YouTube name na Real Favor Channel. I beg if you never subscribe, go subscribe. So if you don't subscribe, God will bless you. If you never subscribe, God will still bless you. I beg you will never subscribe. I beg may you go subscribe. Oh. So as you subscribe, also press the notification button, the bell. Press the notification bell. So in case of I upload any video, you go quick get the notification. You understand? So now when you don't subscribe, God will bless you now. As you subscribe to my YouTube channel, I really appreciate. God will bless you now. Now do well. So I beg this video, wanna follow me, share am, make it for reach the particular person when they give this message to, when they give this advice to, make it for reach our hands. So as now take share am, God will bless you now. So now it be that one. So person when I send this my message to, so her name na Vera Channel. Vera Channel na you I dey send this video to. You understand? So I dey send this video to you. I no dey happy. You understand? And I believe say you not get any excuse concerning this issue when I dey send this video to you. Because of I dey send this video to you, so I believe say you no get any excuse. You understand? Why I thought say you no get any excuse? I called you yesterday. So the wetin you talk, I see without wetin you talk, say if I say you no get any excuse to escape anything concerning that matter. Because this thing we dey talk about so now your children now we dey talk about so. You understand? Your own biological children when you carry for 9 months now we dey talk about so. So as I call you yesterday now say maybe say you just give me here, we just talk, we just flow, then you understand what the advice when I dey give you. You understand? So maybe I for not come send them to you through this media. But I call you first time, you with you they talk, then you say maybe that is you not really believe, maybe I was sent by somebody or I don't really know, but I believe say a big past that you not see me by face now make you use that words. A big past person when person they send message. You understand? So now advice I come advise you. Just like as I take call you that yesterday they advise you. So as I give you the advice, you bounce call on me. Then I recall you again. Then second time we still dey talk, you still provoke, you bounce call on me again. So I decide to not call you and decide to come give you this advice through my media. You understand? So now it be that one. My sister, person no dey know finish. Now I take come to give you this advice. Now I take come to give you this advice when I dey give you. So I beg, make you put here down. Listen to the advice when I want give you. You understand? Listen to the advice. Fine, everybody don't enter Europe. Everybody, as you make the statement yesterday, say everybody don't enter Europe. Nobody carry you to enter Europe. You fight for yourself. Yeah, I clap on for you to fight for yourself. Yes, you are a hero. You be a hero for you to fight for yourself. But you don't do it in the wrong way. You understand? You don't do it in the wrong way. So you not go say maybe say you fight for yourself. Nobody fight for you. Nobody go control you. So anybody will be say you not get control. If you go the wrong side, you not go know the time when be say you go take go the wrong side. You understand? Before you go the wrong side, you no go know, because you no get anybody wey be say e dey talk to am. You no want hear anything when anybody dey talk. Now wetin just dey for him or her mind, na he go take do something. Those kind of people, they fall into pit wey be say nobody go fit remove them for that pit, because they not look anybody reach anything. You understand? At the end, now this kind of thing na dey happen to those kind. I no come cause you. Now advice I just come give you. I lock my door, I no disturb the children. You understand? Now advice now I come give you. I no come cause you, because you not listening to me yesterday. You not give me time. You not give me chance. Me I take give you the advice yesterday. And you feel look me say, I beg now it be mama when you born me when you go give me advice. I beg now it not be my sister. Not even my sister. You understand? But person will be say they see for road. You get where the person go dey reach for person reach. You go say this person. You understand? I go see, make I listen to this thing, whether this thing where this person go talk, whether it go enter my ear. My sister, I need to enter your ear, because it's for your own good. It's for your own good, not be for another person good. You understand? So according to the record wey be say me I hear yesterday when your sister break on yesterday, fine, not dey good. Make your sister carry your record come social media, make they say they don't fit bring the matter come before. I don't know. So it not dey good say make that kind of thing happen. Maybe they still get their own reason when they take do that. They believe say na social media now then go fit talk to people when they social media. Now they go fit talk to you when be say you go fit still take turn up. Maybe then don't talk to you. You know one gree here. So now I made the carry and come. No be say I hear from there, I not hear from them. So now I made the carry and come. You know to blame them, because this thing are for your own good. Now they fight. The way me I listened to the matter yesterday, the woman was talking. You were just talking gently. Even though as you even they shout on your own senior sister, she now raised voice on you. She just said this thing when they tell you so. Now for your good. You understand? Now for your good, it gets in your family. So why you go abandon your own family? It not be waiting day good. Not be waiting day good for you to abandon your own family, your own children. When we say you born, when you carry for belle for 9 months, so carry belle for 9 months. It not dey easy. You know they easy. Talk less to come born and come this life. Before you put food for your mouth, you go even remember say, my pikin don't eat so. Me as I dey, I go dey hungry. Me and my children go dey hungry at the same time. I go first make sure say they eat first before me I go come find wetin I want eat. Because now me bring them call this life. If I no bring them, then for no come call they hungry for this life. So I need to dey there for them to provide everything when they need for them. You understand? Then who you can't leave your own for, my sister? Who you can't leave your own for? Social media people. Make they do late. Are you happy for that? Are you happy for that? My sister, no be waiting they good. You say yesterday, say you not care waiting anybody, you not care waiting anybody go talk. And you understand those kind of people. I understand them very well. You don't get where you say you not day. You understand? You don't get where you say you not day. Nothing go happen. At the end, something they happen, my sister. At the end, because this thing, anything a person they do for this life. Now this life, they repent. You know they die before they repent. This life when it dey, so now you go die. Everybody they repent. Now before they go say evil that may do live after them. Evil that may do live with them now. As the person they do, they repent. You understand? They repent. If they repent, so you feel say nobody go fit ask you now. Nobody go fit ask you. But remember, say these children they go grow, they go come, especially when we say now they be boys, they say they be boys. They go grow when they go even grow past you. My sister, how you take walk freely? Say you get one children, your own blood, your own cloth where you can't tie for waist, come they follow you, they fight, come they follow you, they battle. How you go feel? How you go feel that time? My sister, I know that you will not be happy that time. So it's better you from now walk towards it. Walk towards it. Stop these things. Just stop them from now, because if these children can't grow to be adults, when we say, yeah, they will come say, their mother no mind them. Now people, social media people, now he take care of them. Now they do everything for them. Will they be happy? No, they will never be happy with you. Fine, you say you don't do. I believe you say you don't do. Still yet, they still talk say you not do. So it better make you not do. My sister, now your own blood. Now your own blood. You go still continue to they do. Till when be say you go reach the time when be say the children go come fit they take care of you. You know say time they come when be say the children will come take care of us. Time they come when be say you not go fit they do anything. You know, look, I bet look area when you look your area. Look around you. May you look one whole see all those old people. May you see the way they be. Then use and tell reason yourself. Say, time they come when I go come be like this lady, this old woman. Where the children maybe say you did there for as earlier. Where the children maybe say you stand for say yes, these are my children. Now my children be this one. Children are what people say they proud. Children are our priority. What it can happen, my sister? What it happen to you? What it happen to you? 5 children. 5. You just say it don't concern you. Then get papa. As they get papa, now so they get mama. As they get papa, now so they get mama. In fact, now mama they play the best part for children body. Mothers. Now they play the best part for children body. My sister, where your part? They who want play that your part. You don't sit down and reason and say, this is my own part for my children life. Who want play am? Who want play am? Now let the man go play all of them. No. No, my sister. You know go fit to say, you know, guys, you don't answer for everything for your children when you born. I beg, it's not done that way. I beg, recalculate, that you revoke them again. Wait, say what you talk, you not talk them. No listening to people. People feel provoke you. No listen to the now they be your children. Not be the people when be say provoke you. Not be you they do. You are doing yourself. You are doing those children. You are doing yourself. You are doing those children. Because the kind of better life where those children, you deprive them of many things. You deprive them. Not be money, not be everything. Fine, you know if you get. May God let you get. But the one where you still get, if now let this come, my children, how they fine. I hear say they don't still grow. 16 years pikin not be small pikin again. 14 years pikin not be small pikin again. How they fine. Now don't eat so. Now they okay. Even though you not ask of their father. No ask of their father. Just only call the children. Talk to the children. Let the children explain their lifestyle where they live for there for you. When it happen to them, let them tell you as a mother. The one way you know say you go fit still do, you go do one. The one way you know say don't buy children, I beg. Now know as this I be. I don't still get. I beg, more than manage this one. More than manage this one. They go understand. Even though they don't understand, go away, they heaven. No, say yes, you they try. Go away, they heaven. No, say yes, you they try. You try as your power reach. You try as your power reach. But when you just say they don't, because they don't carry the matter go social media, say you know they do anything again. My sister, you know they do person. You are doing yourself and you are doing those children. You are doing yourself, especially you are just doing yourself. Because when every time go reach, when whole time go reach, now that time you go come no say yes, you they do yourself. No be person you they do. That time you will come no. So I beg my sister, those children, they are too precious to just turn eye like this. They are too precious, my sister. I beg. Fine, maybe I don't know your age, oh. Maybe the way that is your own thinking. Maybe children not that important. You understand? They say, of your hand, my even no rare hara, on a gwekin show. Again, no, you wanna do it. I no rare hara, not that important. On a kakabodu, a gwe. You understand? I no go blame you. I no go blame you. Maybe you never really that is your thickness, your sense not reach there to know say children are so special. They are so special. Maybe your sense, but a person I go still talk to you say, my sister, children, they are so special. They are the best gift, the higher gift. When we say we women. They receive when God take bless us. You get money, you not get picking. I believe say when you still get money, when God will still bless you now. My person they now they live 5. They live 5. Say their papa they may take care of her. My sister, just imagine say you did this country, so you get 5 children. Government not there to assist for anything but anything. Now waiting you go market before your 5 children go eat. Reason I ask it go be. You say now your 2 children money, now you want to go carry, go they take care of them. They pay you, they pay those 2 children. Where those 2 children for eat. Still let those one when they ask eat from inside. Where those 2 children for eat. As they eat, say now 20 those 2 children want eat. Okay, 20 now the 2. Calculator 2 €40, €50. You go still send and give all those one. My sister, I beg, if you receive this my message, I beg, that was your word when you talk. Say, even Donald Trump come, wait till you don't talk am. Even everyone ahead call you, even though they carry the matter go all the social media platform, you not concern you. My sister Renasa, you know they good. It concern you. If you carry the matter go social media, say because of that one you call the verse. Who you the verse for? You the verse for your own children when be say you born. Because now the children that they use until they punish. You know they use until they punish all those people. You know they use until they punish as I did so now. I did life. Person go come they donate money for the children when be say me I born. Children when I born. You feel say you no get money as I felt it talking. But you go remember say this bird when we say they fly for up. God saying they feel they take care of them. How much more we? How much more will you might be? You understand? If you accept now, say these children, yes, they are your responsibility. God will provide for you. He go provide for you. How you go take care of those children? But because say you not accept those children, you go surprise say things go begin they difficult for you. Things go begin they difficult for you. You go pour out for this one. Hey, you go pour out for this one. Hey, you go say everything's not. But you know there is something you need to do that you did not do. When you not do, when you abandon, say I not get. But if you really get the mind to do, God will provide for you. If really you really get the mind to do, God will provide for you. I beg my sister, if you receive this my message, call your children, settle with them, settle with your children. Try to they call them position. That is, put them in a better position. Put them in a better position because ego tagare, my sister. It is story. But I talk one story. You can't get one woman when I did house. I don't know her. She can't travel. As she travel, this woman only the children and the father na it. I get many stories concerning all this kind of story. The mother now can't take for abroad. They say, oh, after I don't take, don't even the advance. And I say, okay, maybe they come house. The small one, they that kind. He say he never even reach 1 year. What less of money like bo. Let me go Morocco. Iye vai ama ejia. Egeni jia ri yare. Ejuware woje ore keveri. Na the children come out say me go see their mama. They don't even tell their papa the plan where they get. They not tell their papa the plan where they get for that woman. Let me tell you. Umeti aja unu yagi bieka ni winya etun. Iye meti we nokpa. Si awme ona so mo ga mu gbina. Si awme. Make pa wari vegeni. Iye kede. Ijugo wa gbe venena. Ame mi gbe mi video. Ije o. Ebo wa ti ri gbogbo na. Ewe kan so wa place upon herself now. Na mu gbina. Mana mu gbina. We ha. Ije na fele yan kwa. Veriya no ma be ni jiya fili ya kwa. De kenya aje be de ne ya ta ya ga vie. Je na wunye ma fili wa kwa ime. And e wona wa gele wa hake ni ya. O gele wa ake. Ime imoni ime be de ne nani ya. E we to ma wono bi but I appreciate ya. O ga gba owe ya but o no ga amu ni mo. We ijiya o fili ya kwa na de ye. Ona de ye webo. Understand? On your own. Am I way? The sort of social media, record you, Maka we kanya, needing a bow here. Money got if those children can't grow, can't listen to all this record, my sister. How you go feel? I beg, wait till you want wait till they advise you and make you do. Call those children, try to reconcile with them. Area. Amanya hu aja we say we go where area ya gbalo where you to my sister what you believe in him very where amanya hu aja we say oni ma we do get gba we hu that we be go wari go give we o saro pa bo we adu oh my sister why go wari I don't want just go too much far in that issue oni any is by the excuse at all ni ba osaloba agbase je ehia ni aja we mi da eyan na osaloba mana agbase ni osaloba ehowe esunu la anu ya gba oriwe go and take care of your children go and take care of them show them motherly love maya we mo morije la maya o dey very important Inuma o my deg bato o my deg they me mati we do de na he meant you where he may home from where for your almighty work now all recording I didn't record it in my record way because I just call you with my own that is even something ya touch me as a mother ni hado ya ku ni hado ya moki or ni who they only go me view as all those kind of something no I come out real to talk to you. That is why I didn't record you. Because that's what only when we are where or our records me. No. Even one many hivije. Baugiwe. Very important. Omo igiogbe. Omo magi ade. Ara de omo mo apagbe. Omo apagbe. Aga bi omo mo be bi oma. You don't already born them. Time they come when we say then too go come born you. Then too they will come born you. How they go take born you when you don't hold when we say you know they feel they do anything. Who surprising? I mean we ja ojini. Anyway surprise a lot about gagbon my ass a lot about give that something so about ya win no ga lele yan ehia meti mi yan e. But when I do anyi video. When I do anyi video we any only do any do any do whatever but then no go more it's not the person carry you carry yourself come. You understand? But you know the position when those children go there tomorrow. You know me say person no go school say hey no go bill in one bill. It must. We are here the whole world now. Money suffer say. Money suffer nigele suffer. Ian make e. Nigele emi na tie suffer na they make am. Not a way, a peg. Son, any or do I. any or you do how now those one go come be say now you go come be children wey be say yes, so say my pikin abeg forgive me my pikin. Baby father egire va ni vegeni you understand oka aboda me we neno odonu we gwe o mo motivate we no we advice we only we awaja we o pe ma gwa le mi no ma ogo me o mo ni dey progress we because you don't need dey progress we oga hama we oga muhi yo we if you no go take care of these children I kwengbera mana hota we but yeah ometi feel of concern we where you even no tie erioje is very bad. Una when be men we be say we dey carry women when you don't born abeg the hard one na take hold una children where those women born for una abeg mona still use and take hold the one where be say the woman fair born before. May God for bless una. May anything where be say una they put una hand make it for the work for una. Make for the work for una. The one where be say the woman fair born before mona still take and drop pikin take care of. Even no biani jeni u jore no we uki avec ba abo hame udigo gena money me de ge ya me 50 euro na send gian ni ayari bai no age no salobo aya bless no age no salobo aya bless whatever wa hawe kaka wa age wa hawe kaka maybe in your thought say no you too you just accept say okay my husband no needs my sister but my Jesus one magico boy she did right in the place so you imagine so just did there so now two boys one stand for you here one stand for you here beat where they go beat you you go they cry nobody go answer I been just your sister when be say I just see the record yesterday one of the guy they curse each other for that one not even curse now you they curse her they go even to say now you even senior only if you that will not be wiseness. No be wise. They go even to say now you even senior that your sister. Your sister stand for you to fight for the right thing for you. Say stand for your children. Stand for your children. If now some people don't say, I bet you not concern me, my children, I will be say like now you not concern me. If now some people now what they go do? But your sister love you so much. He so much love you, but for your own now you can look and say your sister don't love you. He carry you on social media. I don't know before the thing come they escalate come reach social media. Maybe they don't talk to you. You know great take. Maybe they carry you on social media because as I hear them, they say the matter don't dey social media last year. No, I don't hear them. You understand? So before the constant carrier come here again now. Maybe after the carrier come that last year, you know, before the carrier come, maybe you not care because me I not believe say one sister go there when be say you go one make it come disgrace his sister for public. I not believe. Make come disgrace his sister for public. Please, I'm coming, guys. Take. You understand? May come disgrace our own sister for public. I believe say e no dey. I believe say e no dey. You understand? But maybe say they don't try to talk to you. They don't try to do different things to talk to people around you. May they talk to you. Maybe you not take. Now may they carry the matter on social media. I beg my sister, I beg. May this matter may not come back again. Yesterday, people they donate. They donate for your own pikin, your own children. Your own children, when we say you born, they can't they donate for as you sleep, you still sleep. You still sleep, cash you. My sister, no. Now different mind that they see for this life. Different mind that they see. Your own strong. Your own strong, my sister. No feel like to you. Your own mind strong. I bet una when be say still the una when be still be say it still be fans. I bet more na tortura because this thing not be waiting they good. Not be waiting they good at all. Excuse when be say she give me yesterday, so nobody carry her enter abroad. Whether they help her. They not help you, but you dey here today. And your sister said she enter here before, she enter Europe 1 year before you enter. How you say make she take help you? She don't even, you know whether she don't they stand on her own. You know? Not rely on person to help you. Because a person not help you, you say the children they get papa, they go meet who help you. Now you boy your children, you go fight to make sure say yeah, the children they okay. You go make sure say yeah, the children, what did they make person they suffer for this life when they console? What most of I beg una when be say they for abroad when you get children. I beg, what did they make una they struggle? Not before una family. Better your own for only 2 children. Your own suffer when you suffer for Europe now for only 2 children. And the man when be say you deal with, it's very bad. It's very bad. It's very, very bad. They five just go like that. Hi, God. Now wow, a different thing I person they see. I beg, go take care of your children. Your children need you. They need your love. They need your caring. They need your ways. They need your encouragement. They need it. They need it, my sister. I beg. Una when be say they wash her. Una when be fans. I beg. Una follow me beggar. Make it show those children love. Make it show them love. Make she care for them. Una torture her. Maybe if you still torture her, you go see here. Maybe if you still come across this my video, you will see here. Maybe if you still come across this my video, you can't come out and say, hey, now saw this one, kill this one, now saw this one, kill this one. My sister, not just do them, you understand? Not just do them. Not do them. Not do them at all. So I'm not going to tell you why when I will say, may you not do them. What it be your name? I asked you yesterday, say, I hear say they say that prayer na be your name. You say no. You say now they know where they for see prayer. You even deny your whole tribe. Your whole tribe, when we say you for evil call, you deny them. You deny your whole tribe. It will say not be the name. Your sister said the name where your papa and your mama give you now prayer. Prayer now your name. Waiting. You call social media. Look at me. Am I not beautiful? Wait till be your beautiful. Now your children, not be your beautiful. Yeah, your children, not be your beautiful. Your children, without those children, you are not beautiful. Go and clean your house. Go and clean it. You feel look and say, what it be this? What it be this woman? I don't know this woman. What it be her own? My own are for the children. Children are for everybody, you know. Because as I see those children, since yesterday when I listened, I said, which can't it be this one? I person go do this kind of thing. I person, this woman, no. They believe say this thing, they okay, so. I believe say they okay. So people say no, they okay. For me, I know, say yes, they okay. Maybe na man when be say he dey your life, you don't want other children. Maybe you not tell us say you get children. Then when you can't say you get children, then you want do away with those children. How can you do away with those children? Never. You can never do away with your children. They are your children. You can never do away with them. For you to do away with those children, you do away with that man. Because that man come to meet those children. I don't tell this girl the truth. I don't tell her the truth. Many wahala don't they happen for Nigeria. Just imagine those children now when we say they don't go school, they don't let work. If they can't grow, when we say their papa don't come hold, you don't hold where to not take care of those children. Then wait till those children go tell leave. Wait till they learn, wait who school they go, which work they learn, which market they put it on practice when they want to live their life. Not what they will can't do. The enemy go call to children when we say go call the pocket picker, they go for road. Now those kind of children, now those kind of things, now they happen for Nigeria. Everybody go say Nigeria change. When Nigeria change, well, everybody they shall say when Nigeria go change. What do you want change for Nigeria? What do you want change for the Nigeria one of the shots say change. Now the wood where they not say make it change. I been at the house where they now I say make it change. I will go renovate my own there. I been at the sound where people say it there. Now I say make it change. My dear, not be all those things. Now we go change. When we change, Nigeria go change. When we not change, Nigeria not go change. It go there like that. It go there. It go there like that. Hey, Buhari, oh, hey, President, oh, hey, now Buhari go cause it straight this one where we say the apple so. Now Buhari go cause it straight this one now where the apple so. Buhari I go just there for everywhere. Ubo pikin not take care of her. Pikin can't talk to, he can't grow courage where be say he go can't reach the time when he go call they use the hard work or what he do for money time till they eat. Nothing when be say he do. Nothing papa and mama put her through. So now call they say maybe Buhari change. Maybe na president when he go call the data and he go can't change. Now we go change. Now he go change. Not be Nigeria, not be he go change. We went there inside in Nigeria. Now he go change. I bet we will try change. Just imagine those children now say now Europe here, now they day. Or like place like Jamie here, now they day. The mother go just waka come out, leave the children for a papa. Then we never leave those children for their father. Never. They will never leave those children for their father. They will collect because they know, say, if they leave those children, tomorrow those children enemy will become losers. And they will not come and be committing different losers in the society. So because of that one, they want to make sure, say, everybody get what they do. Everybody get what they do. So when people say go come across this video, when you go talk, so what be this one for this matter, and I make me they talk this word now, not because of Vera again. They want to make sure say everybody go get what they do. So now that one I be my own for inside. Fine, some people they donate yesterday. For the people they donate. Now good thing. Oh, my video one cut. I beg. If this video cut, I greet all of you now. So my